Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Orthodox Holy Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. As I was checking through my I was checking through the search engine, checking out the earthquakes, which I check on a daily basis to the best of my ability. And then next thing you know, after that 7.1 earthquake hit over there in Malaysia, now a couple of hours later, I would say like about 14 or 15 hours later, you had another earthquake, and this was in a different area, and it's over there near Alaska. And I just want to add a side note to that. And this is from Reuters for February 22nd, February 22nd, 2026 at 23:18 GMT6, less than 1 minute read ago. And it reads, magnitude of a 6.3 earthquake strikes near Alaska, the USGS has said. And this is the book of Luke. It's the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, just like that 6.0 earthquake hit over there in Solomon Islands. 6.0 earthquake over there in Fiji Islands. And then you had that large 7.1 earthquake over there off the coast of Malaysia. And then now you got a couple of hours later, now you got another earthquake of a 6.3 near Alaska. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall be for heaven. Right, so we see these great earthquakes in diverse places on a daily basis. They are increasing, and that's what Yahweh Shai spoke about, that he's going to visit this earth with these great earthquakes, and that's what we're seeing. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. So on a daily basis, we're going to see great earthquakes in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be for heaven. Second Ezra, chapter 9. It's the book of Second Ezra, chapter 9, and verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time where in the highest was the Heavenly Father will begin to visit the world which he made. Right, so we're going to see the Heavenly Father continue to begin to visit the world which he made, as the prophet Ezra mentioned, that the Heavenly Father is going to visit the earth with these earthquakes on a daily basis. Second Ezra 9 and verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the world, right, so increasing earthquakes that we're going to continue to see increasing. This is the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also the hills moved with shaking because of wrath. Right, the great shakings with the earthquakes. Because the Heavenly Father, he's a righteous, balanced power. Isaiah chapter 29 and verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake, and great noise and storms and tempests and the flaming fire. Right, so Yahweh of hosts is going to visit the earth with the storms and tempests and the flaming fire, as the prophet Isaiah was mentioned. Precept Luke 21 and verse 11. Matter of fact, Matthew 24 verse 7. Let's say. Yep, this is the book of Matthew 24 verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this that's wrong, this article. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from tradingview.com by Reuters as of April the 22nd, 2026. And it reads again, magnitude of a 6.3 earthquake strikes near Alaska, the USGS has said. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem Akokidash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the lost spoken tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, while Akim, Akwa, for the next time, I will say Shalom.